Okay, this is exercise question, exercise 5.3, question number 9. So, inverse trigonometric function, we want to find the derivative of sine inverse 2x by 1 plus x square. So, let's start with y equal to. So, from here, y equal to sine inverse 2x by 1 plus x square. So, take the sine inverse to left side. So, this becomes sine y. Sine y equal to, okay, sine y equal to 2x by 1 plus x square. Sine y equal to 2x by 1 plus x square. Now differentiating on both sides. Sine y, derivative of sine y is cos y into derivative of y is dy by dx equal to. So this is a quotient form. So we have to apply quotient rule or u by v rule. What is quotient rule? Denominator into derivative of numerator minus numerator into derivative of denominator whole divided by denominator square. This is u by v rule or quotient rule because the given function is quotient form, numerator by denominator. So let's start with denominator. Okay, denominator into derivative of numerator minus numerator into derivative of denominator whole divided by denominator square. Okay, be careful. Starting with denominator and ending at denominator. Denominator into derivative of numerator minus numerator into derivative of denominator whole divided by denominator square. So next step is cos y into dy by dx. Left side is same as such. Now see the right side. It is 1 plus x square into derivative of 2x. What is derivative of 2x? 2 minus 2x into derivative of 1 plus x square. What is derivative of 1 plus x square? Derivative of 1 is 0. Derivative of x square is 2x. Whole divided by 1 plus x square the whole square. Now simplify. 1 into 2, 2 plus x square into 2, 2x square minus 2x into 2x, 4x square divided by 1 plus x square the whole square. So here plus 2x square minus 4x square. So this can be written as 2 minus 2x square. These are like terms, x square terms. One is plus 2 and this one is minus 4. So subtracting 2 minus 2x square by 1 plus x square the whole square. So cos y into dy by dx equal to 2 minus 2x square by 1 plus x square whole square, and therefore dy by dx equal to 2 minus 2x square divided by 1 plus x square the whole square divided by cos y. For our convenience, I am going to write divided by like this. Okay, divided by cos y. Now 2 minus 2x square by 1 plus x square the whole square divided by, what is cos y? Look at here. Sin y is 2x by 1 plus x square. So from this we have to find cos y. Let's see, using the identity sin square y plus cos square y equal to 1. So here sin y is 2x by 1 plus x square. Okay, so what is sin square y? 2x by 1 plus x square whole+ cos square y equal to 1. we need cos square y. So cos square y equal to 1 minus, take the square, 4x square by 1 plus x square whole square. Now take this one to 1 by 1 because we can consider cross multiplication. I hope all of you know how to take cross multiplication procedure. Okay. So 1 plus x square whole square minus 4x square divided by 1 plus x square whole square. So on simplification you can see that using a plus b the whole square you have to expand and simplify. You can see that it is 1 plus x square, x raised to 4 minus 2x square divided by 1 plus x square whole square, and it is 1 minus x square the whole square divided by 1 plus x square the whole square. See, this is a minus b whole square form. Here a is 1 and b is x square. Okay, so do it by yourself and verify is it correct or not. So we are going to replace this cos square y here. So it is root. So root of this becomes, listen, 1 minus x square divided by 1 plus x square. Now from here 2 can be taken outside. So 2 into 1 minus x square divided by 1 plus x square the whole square. Now change this operation, division into multiplication. So this becomes reciprocal, 1 plus x square by 1 minus x square. So from here we can cancel 1 minus x square and 1 of the 1 plus x square. So remaining 2 by 1 plus x square. Okay. So this is the derivative of d by dx of derivative of sine inverse 2x by 1 plus x square. So it is a lengthy problem. Go through the step. Only simplification is the using the identity sine square y plus cos square y equal to 1, as well as using a plus b the whole square and a minus b the whole square. Okay. Go through these identities and simplify it. Simplify all these things by yourself. You can see the final answer. Derivative of sine inverse 2x by 1 plus x square equal to 2 by 1 plus x square.